Hello and welcome to another session of my garden tutorial. I am your host Vivek Norona, and in today's session we shall learn about the Tabebuia tree. This is my Tabebuia tree. It's the beginning of March and a few flowers have started to appear. By mid-March the tree is in full bloom. This tree is a South American tree and it's also known as the yellow trumpet tree. It can grow up to 30 feet in height and 25 feet in width. This is the beginning of March and this is how the tree looks before it flowers. The tree sheds its leaves just before it starts to bloom. Now the tree has started to bloom. In a few days the tree has started blooming to its maximum. This is the view of the tree from a height of about 30 feet. This is a close-up view of the flowers. Each flower is about 2 to 3 inches in length and about 2 inches in width. Look at the huge number of bees that have arrived. Let's take a closer look. See how dense the flowers are. Enjoy the beauty of these flowers. This is one tree you should have in your garden if it grows in your climate. This is how the tree looks from the ground up. The bark of the tree is quite corky. This is a close-up view of the leaves. If you like my video, please click on the thumbs up button. If you want to know more about gardening, and if you want to see more of my videos on how to grow flowering plants like these and vegetable plants, please click on the subscribe button and you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.